All right. Well, Ben, speaking of taking things from out west, now every time I hear lithium, I'm gonna think of dead flowers. While we're doing some word association, I got another one for you. Long Island. When you hear the name, the words Long Island, what do you think of?
Well, obviously tank tops. I don't know, rosé, Hampton water. Shout out to my friends there. Uh, but good time, summer. What are you thinking of, Noah?
How about manufacturing, baby? We've got a new project. Orbic has Project Patriot. They're planning to reshore 1,000 electronics manufacturing jobs from where of all places, China to Long Island. And they were on the Alliance for American Manufacturing's podcast this week. They're grappling with one particular issue that I thought was particularly interesting. Let's listen into what they are doing.
Many of the young professionals that want to get into these manufacturing of high-tech materials, they graduate and they come and interview for these businesses. The problem is, right here on Long Island, there is nowhere for them to live unless they're going to live with their parents. We have embarked on bringing here, specific to this innovation park, mixed-use housing, whereby a developer could come in on 7+ acres. There are 11 sites in this park, and build actual housing.
So Ben, they want to bring these jobs back. These people have no place to live. They got to build a housing because who wants to live with mom and dad while they're building their manufacturing empire? What do you think about this initiative and the fact that housing, of all things, is the limiting factor?
Yeah, this is awesome. If sucks is a limiting factor, let's figure it out. Hey, let's build it in the Hamptons. P. Diddy's white parties, obviously over now. So now we can build housing. We can build plants. $30 lobster salads, right? Only in the Hamptons. If we can build those in the Hamptons, we can also build some housing and the plants that those people are going to work in. So let's do it all. Let's bring it back to Long Island. I'm pro this.
Was P. Diddy convicted? Are they going to seize his mansion? Are they taking the mansion, turn it into housing? You put bunks in that thing. You could probably house all 1,000 workers right there. Problem solved. I like it. Abundance in the Hamptons, baby. You heard it here first. Steam Zone is doing it.